My topic is shaper machine. What is shaper machine? The shaper machine is a very important machine which is used for producing the flat surface of the workpiece. The flat surface of the workpiece may be the horizontal, vertical and inclined. The good finishing on the job cannot be get by the shaper machine. The good finishing on the workpiece are generally depends upon the nature of the material, composition of the material, designing of the machine, tool geometry of the tool geometry, and depth of cut, cutting speed of the tool, and also depends upon the high experience of the operator. The quality of the machine also depends upon the which company made by the shaper machine. So in a market, the different type of the companies are manufacture the shaper machine like a Bajaj, Sagar, Kirloskar, Bentley Boy. In my view, the Sagar and Kirloskar company is give the best quality. The different type of the machines in shape and size are available in the market. So all the machines have a same working principle of the machine. Working principle of the machine. So what is the working principle of the machine? So when the tool is moved in a forward direction to remove the metal in the form of the chips, this stroke is called the cutting stroke. When the tool is moved in a backward direction without cutting the any metal, this stroke is called the idle stroke. This is the working principle of the machine. Different type of the machines are available in shape and size in market. Types of shaper machine. Number 1 is horizontal shaper machine. Number 2 is vertical shaper machine. Number 3 is universal shaper machine. Number 4 is standard shaper machine. Number 5 is broker shaper machine. Number 6 is gear type shaper machine. Number 8 is hydraulic shaper machine, etc. Different type of the machine have a different type of the parts. The parts of the machine base, column, cross rail, body, table, caliper box, head, tool holder, tool feed handle, stroke adjustable wheel, ram, slotted discs, connecting rod, palms, ratchet gear, etc. So I think you will like my video. Thank you very much.